Right by the fountain. He broke us off. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to be trying something different we've never done before. We're going to use a pink fluke, aka bubblegum. Heavy wire 4/0 hook. Give this fluke a nice little sink rate. We're going to do them Texas rig. Right here I'm tying on your classic cinch knot. Nothing crazy. I use it for my Texas rigs 90% of the time. Right. So we'll use them right here. Through the top right here. Come back down. And then right in around. And then we're going to Texas rig them. Just like that. And you can leave the hook exposed, but what I like to do is just pop it in there so it has a nice weedless presentation right there. And that's what we're running today, guys. Let's see what we can get done.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how.
I just haven't been able to get one to bite. There we go. Oh, almost lost him. Beautiful fish here. Not too bad. Not too bad, guys. I'm gonna throw him back in the water now. All right, and flawless release. Oh, they're going at it, bro. Look at them. Wow. This other one's chasing another one off. Dude, it's literally a brawl. Try this fountain right here. Got one. Yep. Fish number 2. All right. Right by the fountain. He broke us off. Fish on. All right. Got one, Wes. Yeah. Just a wee little lad. Nice. Just a little guy. All right. Oh wow, look at it. He's got a, looks like something attacked him, like some kind of bird or something. Almost got him right out of the water. Wow. Look at this. He has a, look at that. He got attacked by something. Oh, all right. Just a little guy, but you know, we'll let him back in the water. There you go, bud.
Sitting there trying to like steal it and eat it from me. And then I finally like just pulled up and kept doing this and he finally spit it out. Oh, he's been munching. He's eaten like 4 or 5 fish.
Wes, right behind you. Fish on. Yeah. He's up in the weeds though, gotta get him out. Oh, another little guy. All right. Just a little guy. Little dink. Dink City. All right. Look at him go, man. Look at that speed. Wow. All right, guys, so super cloudy day turned out to be a nice day. Sun finally came out. We got it done. on the Pink Fluke today, guys. We got 4, missed a couple, but that's how it goes, man. We'll catch you guys next time. Later.